A super simple, delicious and nutritious food with rice and lentils from Iran. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarish. For this easy to make dish for 3 persons, you need 150 grams green lentils, 300 grams basmati rice, vegetable oil, salt, and if you like, a pinch of saffron, but that is optional. My saffron is already bloomed, but if you want to know how to extract saffron, I put 2 links in the description. The salad that Persian eats with this dish is Churrases salad, and for that I use 3 small cucumbers, 3 tomatoes, 1 big onion and a lime. First things first, we wash the lentils 2 to 3 times and cook it in enough water for 25 minutes. Then wash the rice to get rid of the excess starch and soak it for 15 to 20 minutes. Fill 2/3 of a 5-liter pot with water. Add a handful of salt and bring it to a boil. This is for cooking the rice later. In the meantime, we prepare the Churrases salad. Everything except lime should be diced small but not too fine. The name comes from a city called Shiraz in South Iran. It is the very city the grapes for Shiraz wine came from. There in South, the climate is perfect for growing citrus fruits, including the famous Persian lime. After dicing everything, pre-squeeze the lime and then juice it on the salad. Add 1½ teaspoon salt and mix it well. Meanwhile, I check the lentils. Avoid overcooking them, otherwise they get mushy and mess up the appearance of your dish. When the lentils are finished, the water for the rice should be also boiling. Add the soaked rice into it and let it cook for 4 minutes. In this way, the rice is half cooked. By the end of the last minute, add the lentils with its water to the rice and let it cook and mix for a minute. Then drain the water using a strainer. Add 4 tablespoons vegetable oil to the same pot on high heat. Add the rice and lentils to the pot. And cover the pot with a kitchen cloth and put a lid on it. Persian use this technique to steam the half-cooked rice to get a fluffy and non-sticky rice. After 1 minute, reduce the heat to medium and let the rice steam for 7 minutes. Now the rice is fully cooked. See how fluffy and long they are? To dish the rice, I oil a bowl and put 1 tablespoon saffron extract in and get the rice in the bowl. Then I turn over the bowl on a plate. That beautiful rice crust will form at the bottom of the pot when you cook the rice using this technique. Iranians die for it. Let's try. I have to say it's even more delicious than I expected. If you liked the video, give me a thumb up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.